I'm here with the Vevor hand pump, and I want to show you how to attach your hose to it. So I've got you have to have 1¼ inch. So I got one which said 1 to 1¼ inch, but only a female here goes 1¼ inch, and then there was this male 1 inch adapter in it, so that's why it said 1 inch to 1¼ inch. So I already got this, but know that you need a 1¼ inch female in, so a male plug to use that in there. So I got this adapter that's in there, and then I just bought a little brass adapter here going from 1 inch to 1¼ so this then still works, and I can use it with my Vevor here. Just put some of the tape on there first so you can make that waterproof, leak proof. Just go all the way around, and then you can attach that and then put that right here at the bottom, so you get a nice seal when you use the hand pump. And as you can see, the little dongle is on there. I also recommend you get a hose with a filter on top, especially if you're going to use this to pump from a well or that sort of thing, and you got a lot of dirt, mud and debris in there. Getting one with just a little bit of a filter on there, I think that works really well as well. So that is what you need to get, 1¼ inch there, but you have to have a male out in order to screw that in, right? So you can't put it on the pump, which is what this one said. So watch out for that, and I hope this video has helped you make your purchase and make your choice.